Hi friends. Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to format and reinstall Windows 11 using factory reset in 2023. Before proceeding further, you must ensure that you have backed up all of your important files saved on your computer's hard drive. Let's start. Click the Windows Start menu. Click Settings. Scroll down to Recovery in the System menu. Inside Recovery, click Reset PC, next to the Reset This PC option. Choose whether to keep your files or remove everything. The first option will wipe your device but preserve your personal files, whereas the second option will wipe your entire device. Here, select Remove Everything. Pick How to reinstall Windows 11. You can choose to download Windows from the cloud or to use a recovery copy that's already on your device. Cloud download can use more than 4 GB of data. Once your selections have been made, there are a few extra settings you can customize depending on what you picked. Click Change Settings at the Additional Settings screen to view your choices. If you chose to remove everything, Windows will erase all your files. This is the quickest way to remove personal files, but it's less secure because those files can be recovered with the right software. If you plan to sell the machine, you'll want to enable clean data to ensure your data is overwritten and not just removed. This will take longer, but it's worth the wait. Click Confirm. Click Next. Now Windows will generate a screen that summarizes what will happen when you go through with the reset. When you're ready, click Reset. Your computer will start the reset process. Wait for the process to be completed. Depending on what type of reset you've opted for as well as how much is stored on the device, this could take up to an hour. Once the reset is complete, Windows 11 will automatically restart, and from here your device should be returned to the state in which it was brand new. Now you can set it up again. Here, select Country Region United States. Click on Yes button. Input keyboard method US. Click on Yes button. Here click Skip. Now it is checking for updates. If you want to read the license agreement, you can read it. Now click on Accept button. Here give a name to your device. And then click on Next. Here, select Set up this device for personal use. If you don't want to add your Microsoft account, if you want it to be local machine, local user, you must disable your internet connection. And then click on Next. Again, set up for personal use. And again click on Next. The person who's going to use this device, enter his or her name. Now click on Next. If you want to enter password, enter the password, and if you don't want to enter the password, click Next. Here, choose privacy settings for your device. And click on Accept. Now we have done factory resetting for Windows 11.
Please subscribe this channel, like and share this video.